Clamps can really come in handy when fixing furniture or doing woodworking projects. But unless you have protective wood pads, the ends can really mar up your furniture and leave depressions that are practically impossible to sand out. So here's a quick tip for a remedy. You can make your own custom pads at home. Just cut discs that are 1/4 of an inch thick out of a dowel rod that's 1 inch in diameter. Now you can also cut blocks out of soft pine. Now just put a little hot melt glue on your disc from a hot glue gun and attach it directly to the clamp. Now you can also use contact cement if you don't have a hot glue gun. You have to attach these to both sides of your clamp. Now you will have to replace these pads as they break and wear out, but that is so much easier than having to repair or replace your furniture.